Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we are back with another Dollar Tree haul. Please stay tuned for all the goodies. So I'm working with a new camera, so just be patient. So I got my usual 140 roll, paper towels, 2-ply for $1.25. I got my 2-ply strong and soft bath tissue, 4 rolls for $1.25. That's always a steal. That is in their kitchenware section. Also in their kitchen section, they have brought back these napkin holders, which I really enjoy. It is from their cooking concept collection napkin holder. I bought 3. I'm not buying them with that in mind. I believe you can use it for a number of things. You can put a number of things in order. I'm thinking of putting mail together, to kind of and you can use zip ties to kind of put them together, keep them nice, or even hot glue, but I think the zip ties work a little better and it's a little neater, and you can separate between immediate to casual, whatever. You can also even put makeup palettes together. You can also put purses. I've used this hack to put my little mini purses together and kind of keep them orderly. So that's the purpose to these. But they really go quickly. So I really had to dig deep for these because what they usually go and advertise or bring often to my local branch are the long stem ones, and I like these ones. These in particular because of that hack. So that's in their kitchenware section. In their houseware section and techie section, electrical section, they have brought back these COB or cob LED portable work light. Illuminates. I believe it brings 2 light sources. These really are good. I think Chic on the Cheap reviewed it on her channel, and I may link it in the description box below. But they really do work. If you find yourself, especially with these storms coming, all of my northeastern fam who follow me here on YouTube, and honestly nationwide or even global, if you find yourself in a position where there's a storm and there's the possibility of losing light, these illuminate really great. I will say about Dollar Tree products, when it comes to their flashlights, they really do. It's almost as if you haven't technically lost light. And they really do work. But if you find yourself on a road and you need that extra light, or you're working underground, or you're working in a dark area or in a basement and you need a little more extra light, these are good to carry, and they kind of go quick. I believe they kind of sell really quick at my local branch, so I finally am able to buy 1. I also have other flashlights, so that's why I didn't try to buy a bunch. Also in their same section, this is by Tool Bench, duct tape in red. I'm thinking of a DIY with this, so I picked up another one, $1.25. In their health and beauty care section, they have brought back these elastic bandages in soft. It comes in this nice beige, but they also have dark. I think they have a black version to it, but it's in terms of measurements, it's a lot smaller. I think it's 2 inches. This is 3 inches. I just suffered a sprain, so I picked up 1 for myself. As you can see, it repairs elasticity after repeated use and washing. Includes 2 fastening clasps made with cotton to help ventilation. So I'm gonna give this a try. But yes, I'm glad that I came across this elastic bandage by Care Us, and it's in their health and beauty section. Also in their health and beauty section, they have brought, I believe I already reviewed on this channel or showed on this channel, their PS Clean shampoo. Now they have a PS Clean Beauty leave-in conditioner. So I did like the shampoo, the little strong in scent, but it doesn't last, it doesn't linger, and it's their volumizing shampoo. So this is their leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna give this a try, and I will let you guys know if it's worth the $1.25. Also new in their craft your square section, their fusible interfacing. I believe this is like if you're transferring, maybe like, because I've seen them have like these really cute foiled kind of transferable paper. So if you have a Cricut or you've outlined something or some kind of picture and you want to put it on a particular article of clothing, but you don't necessarily want to mess up your iron, I think you can put this in between, as you can see in the instructions, and it's to transfer the paper onto the article of clothing without messing up your iron. I believe it's lightweight, great for dresses and blouses. Craft your square fusible interfacing. So I'll let you guys know if this was this is new though. This is new from my branch of Dollar Tree, Craft Your Square section. So if you see it, you already know. And this is like the last of their Valentine's Day items. This is heart-shaped straws, and as you can see, they look like little hearts. They come in this nice baby pink and a magenta pink, which made me think of Barbie. So I thought it was cute. 12. They are not paper. They feel very plasticky, but again, these are great. I think if you're having like a bachelorette party, a birthday party, a milestone party, and you want to have it, or even a theme party like Barbie, this is great. I think it comes in handy, and they're reusable. I think you can just clean them, put them in your dishwasher, and you're set to go. 0.25 by 9.05 inches. Great find. And lastly, well, not lastly, my Scotties. I love my Scotties tissues, 2-ply. Brings 128 to count. They have not brought back, I think there was another bigger count, like 168. They haven't brought those back in a while. But I like Scotties because they're soft to the touch. Also in their kitchen kind of section, cleaning section. And now, lastly, yes, these cute, adorable shades. These are like the last of their funky shades, which I love. These are just, your average sunglasses, very chic, very modern looking. I just kind of love the detail here. Like, how nice are these? These are going to look really great in the summer, so I opted to buy one. I really didn't see the other ones. I think I've already bought, and I've shown on my channel. But yes, that's it for now. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, give us a like. Leave us a comment down below what item here stood out to you the most. Also, I may be considering doing a review, an actual review of me trying out these products on camera. You guys let me know if that's something you would be interested in. Also, I have a GoFundMe page that I still am running, and I'll leave the link in the description box down below. If you have a little bit of time and can donate, it would be really helpful to the cause, and it will help this channel out as well. But yeah, please stay tuned. I gotta come back with my reviews as well, so please stay tuned for my next DIY review, which will be coming shortly. Unboxing and haul. Until next time, y'all. XOXO. Nerdy girl.